Hi everyone, I'm Rani and today I'll be cooking a very special dish called Karahi chicken with fenugreek. Fenugreek gives you a beautiful taste to the curry, and I often cook this dish at home on a regular basis. So let's take you and introduce you to the ingredients today, that what we're going to use. So we have some tomatoes and ginger, we have a coriander powder, we have Kashmiri chili powder, we have turmeric, and we have chili powder, we have cumin powder, we have a black pepper powder, we also have a ginger paste, garlic paste, we have salt, we have some dry fenugreek powder, we have coriander leaves, we have some green chilies here, and we have some Greek yogurt, we have oil, and we have a boneless chicken 1 kg. So let's start cooking. First of all, we're going to need a 1/4 cup of oil. Then we're going to need 1 tablespoon of ginger, and we're going to need 1 teaspoon of garlic. So we're just going to mix well. We're going to mix everything together for about 2-3 minutes. We're not going to make it brown or anything like that. We're just going to cook it for about 2-3 minutes, and after that, straight away that we're going to pour chicken. Chicken is ready to go into the pan. We need to have our gas in a medium flame. Minutes or so, and now we're gonna put all the masalas, all the spices now. So we have coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoon. We have Kashmiri powder, that actually just gives you the color, 1 tablespoon. Okay. Half teaspoon of turmeric, chili powder, 1 tablespoon, cumin, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Now we're gonna stir everything well. So we stir it for about 2-3 minutes, and we're gonna cover it. Okay, we're gonna need to cut some tomatoes. This is all ready now. So we just mix 2 tomatoes in there, and we're gonna cook it medium gas for another about 5 minutes or so. We're gonna cover it until the tomato gets soft, tender. We need to, now you can see this is what's almost the tomatoes are actually gone soft, and we need to up our gas on a little bit more higher than, so we need to really get it all the gravy dry quickly. So this will take about another 5 to 6 minutes. So we got the high gas on. We're gonna stir and make sure all the tomatoes and everything, it's all gone soft. Right, the gas is high on. We're gonna cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes until the water gets dry. Okay, so as soon as the water gets dry, so we've got a high heat on, so it will get dry very quickly within next 5 to 6 minutes. And then we're just going to add the rest of the ingredients left, which is just the yogurt and fenugreek, dry fenugreek left. Okay. Now I'm going to add a few ingredients just been left, a few things that we need to add. So I like to put my salt in the middle of the cooking. So I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and salt you can always add according to your family what they like. And we're going to add some fenugreek, dry fenugreek. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons. That's enough. Okay, and now we're going to add yogurt, which is, I measured it, it's 1 cup of yogurt, Greek yogurt. You need to use a very good quality one, a nice one. And you can see the consistency it looks a little bit runny, but it will get dry within next 5 minutes or so, and it's almost done. We're not going to cover it, we're just going to leave it without the lid. Okay, I'm just going to use 1 green chili. I don't want to make it too spicy for the children. So I've got a handful of coriander I've cut finely chopped, and I've got 1 green chili I've cut. And I'm going to use some ginger. I'm just peeling the ginger off. It's just for garnishing. It's optional, you don't have to do it. They call it julienne cut. So I'm going to cut it very finely. So everything is ready now. So we've got a handful of coriander leaves, are finely chopped, and I've got 1 green chili, and we've got just a little bit of ginger cut into small, I sliced it into small pieces, therefore garnishing. You can see it's almost ready. It's all mixed very well and it's looking very nice. So the consistency has to be like this. We know you can keep it dry or you can make it a little bit more runny, but we like it like this. You can eat it with rice, naan, pita bread, as you wish. So it's ready now. Some coriander leaves. Green chilies, and some ginger. So this is our dish, karahi chicken with fenugreek. It's all ready to be served.